Hi everybody, this is a video showing you how to take through Design Space the new SVG bundle, which lets you cut these cute little tray boxes with a 6-space divider in them, which also holds the 6-space plastic chocolate box tray. So I'll bring the one drawer box in first. There it is in my library. Okay, so as usual, the first thing you need to do is convert to score lines all the lines that come in as cuts but actually need to be scores. And as usual with my SVGs, they all live in this first group in the layers panel. I'm working on a PC on the desktop version of Design Space. The commands I mentioned might be in a different place for you if you're on the mobile app, but the name of the command is the one that you're looking for, such as ungroup or attach, that sort of thing. So you just click on the name of the group. You can see it's the name of the group because it's got the little downward pointing arrow that you can toggle open or close there. If you click on the name of it, that selects everything in the group. Once you've selected it, you go over to your operations menu, click on basic cut, which is what they are now, and go down to score. And you can see that they become dashed, so you know you've converted them. And while they are still selected, go back to your layers panel and up at the top, click on the ungroup symbol. Second step is to select the group with all the coloured cut pieces in it. So you just look down, find this next downward pointing arrow, click to the text at the side of it, which is the name of the group, and you can see that everything gets selected. And while they're all selected, go back to the top of the layers panel and click ungroup. And your third and final step, as with any multi-part SVG with score lines, is you need to select everything else on screen, which is still in another group. SVGs, if they've been made correctly, come in 3 groups. So select that last group and ungroup it a third time. So 3 ungroups, ideally in that order. If you don't do it in that order, things will jump around in the layers panel, and it's fixable. It's just work that you don't need to do. So if you do it in that order, everything will be perfect. So the next step is to attach the scores to each individual piece that they relate to, and I think the quickest way to do that is to just click on screen somewhere, drag a box to enclose just the individual piece and its scores, and go back to your layers panel and down at the bottom click attach. It's really important that you just excuse me, it's really important that you just do that piece by piece, because if you select the whole SVG and attach it, you'll get the message from Design Space that the project is incompatible with your machine. If you ever get that, it's usually that you've attached something or the actual thing you're trying to cut is too big. So this is the actual drawer. That's the little handle that goes in the front of the drawer, and that's the base of the insert. This is the sleeve that wraps around it. Okay, so that's dead easy. We'll click make it. So if you're going to make your sleeve out of something contrasting, I think it would probably go on to, yeah, it would go on to 2 12x12s anyway. So cut on 12x12, you can see that you need 1 piece 12x12 for the sleeve and 1 piece for the drawer and its inserts. Let's just try on A4 and see what happens. Yeah, it's telling us we can't get that little thing on there, but I think we can. So if we go to that mat and click move, and we'll choose the first mat. Let's just have a play. We'll move that down there. I think they work now. They're just over there. Yep. So if we press continue. Yeah, you can get the whole drawer out of 1A4, and you can actually get that sleeve out of 1A4 as well. Yeah, definitely. So 2A4s for that little single drawer box. Okay, I'm not going to cut it, so I'll just click cancel and we'll get rid of that, and I'll bring in the 2 drawer box, which is that one there. Zoom out a little bit. So we need to go through the same procedure again. You need to select that first group in your layers panel. You click on the second line down, which is the name of that group. Go over to your operations menu, click on basic cut and go down to score, and while it's selected, ungroup. Second step, select the next group down, which is all the coloured cut pieces and all these tiny cuts and slots within them, and ungroup that. Final step, select absolutely everything on screen. You could do that with this select all button. You could do it by dragging a box around it any way you like. and ungroup a third time, and then we need to attach those scores. So each individual piece, click on screen somewhere near it, drag a box to enclose it, and click attach. And I'm going to talk about these pieces in just a sec, which are the drawer pieces. So as you can see, attaching them, it's not laborious, but it does take a little bit of time, and it's for that reason that even though you need 2 drawers, I actually only give you the pieces once, because it's quicker to do all that attaching and converting and then just select it all and duplicate it. So you actually have 2 drawers and inserts. These are, so this is made a slightly different way now than the single drawer box. You have drawer holders and then the whole thing is wrapped in a sleeve. And the reason they've got these funny symbols on will become clear when you look at the PDF of instructions that you get with it. The one marked with a T is the top drawer holder, and the one marked with an X is the bottom one. Don't worry that you don't understand that now. You will when you read your PDF. So I think that's everything selected now. I am making a box which includes the dividers inside it. If you're making the tray and you're just going to put the plastic chocolate box in it, then you wouldn't cut these bits. You wouldn't cut anything that's to do with the divider. That's a handle, so you definitely cut that. But these 2 bits are the divider. So if you were going to cut those, you'd just get rid of them for now. I think when you've set the whole thing up like this, it's a good idea to save it as a project. And then if you come back to it and you decide you're not going to make the inserts, you can just delete them for now and then just not save when you quit. And that way the project will always be there in exactly the same format. Right, so I'm going to click Make It now. And looking at that, yeah, they won't fit anywhere else, I don't think. So you're going to need 3 12 by 12s. What would happen if we used A4? Because we can. 1, 2, 3, or 4 A4s. That might be a little bit more economical actually. And then when it comes to the sleeve, you just need 1 A3 and the long mat. 1 sheet of A3 and the long mat is too big for 12 by 12. Okay, so again, I'm not going to cut it. Get rid of that, and I'll bring in the box with the 3 drawers this time. I can tell by looking at it in my library that that's the 2 drawer because it's got the 2 drawer holders and this has got the 3. So again, we need to go through that process. Select the first group, the second line down in your layers panel, click on basic cut, go down to score in your operations menu, and while they're selected, click ungroup. Second step, select all the coloured cut pieces and ungroup those. Last step, select the whole thing, any way you want to do it, and ungroup those. And then we need to attach the score lines once more. Move that out of the way. Again, these are the insert pieces. The base insert covers the whole of the bottom of the drawer, and then these are the sort of rods that go across it. This is the actual drawer. That's the handle that goes through the drawer. And these are the drawer holders. I'll just have a chat about these. So this is the 3 drawer box, and again you will understand exactly which piece to use when you look at your PDF of instructions. But just like the other one, T means top, X means base, therefore the only thing that's left is this one, so it must be the middle one. But again, you get all that explained in the detailed instructions that come as part of your download. Again, because this is a 3 drawer, we need 3 sets. Yeah, so you duplicate that once and again. Okay, so click Make It. Now all the rest of it will cut from A4. You need 6 sheets of A4 if you're using A4 to cut 3 drawers and 3 drawer holders, and then again for the actual sleeve that goes around everything, you've got to have the long mat and you need a piece of A3 or 12 by 24, whichever you can get hold of. Let's just change that to 12 by 12 and then we can, if it'll let me, it won't. We've gone too far. So I'll choose 12 by 12 for those. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 12 by 12s, and again the 1A3 for the sleeve. So I hope that's helpful. If you've got any questions at all after you've watched this video and you still need more help, never hesitate to get in touch. I'm always happy to help. All I want is for people to be able to use these with ease and make some lovely things with them. You can contact me on Etsy or Facebook, whichever's easier for you. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.